Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rina Dewianti, and I am a doctoral candidate at Pajajaran University, Bandung. Today, I am going to present the recent research about optimizing the utilization of local government asset in Indonesia. Let's start with the background of study. The Ministry of Home Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia encourages regional government to optimize the use of regional property, PMD, to increase regional original income, PAD. Utilization of asset can increase the success of development and public services. Given that there are still many asset problems and the use of regional property, BMD, is still not optimal, it is hoped that local government will be able to accelerate to the resolution of problem and increase PAD revenue in their respective region. Next, have a look at the literature review that I use for the research. First of all, we all must understand that asset is an object that has economic value, use value, property value, spatial value, and prestige value owned by a person or organization that is focused on achieving organization goal. In addition, regional asset or asset belonging to the region, both tangible and intangible gold includes one, good processes of obtained at the expense of the state regional revenue and expenditure budget, and two, good originating from other legitimate acquisition. The utilization of local government asset is a utilization of regional property that is not used for the implementation of government duties and function and our optimization of regional fixed asset without changing their ownership status. For the object of utilization of asset is in the form of land and building. It can be done fully or partially depending on the area of land and building that are utilized. Now, I would like to come to the methodology of this research. This research use of qualitative approach, which is a research study with an emphasis and holistic descriptive. With a natural setting is the direct data source and the researcher is the key instrument. The data obtained will be analyzed inductively. The steps taken are as follow: one, identification of the phenomenon to be studied within the study related to the utilization and local government asset in Indonesia. Two, hypothesis development. Three, data collection. Four, data analysis. And five, formula conclusion. Next, slide 5. Here we come to be research and discussion. Taking research in several the problem of region fixed asset in Indonesia, especially in several places that have been discussed about, is for administration where there are still some that are not in accordance with applicable regulation or have not adapted to existing change. The local government also has not yet optimized the utilization of assets where there are still types of utilization that have not been carried out. The procession of negligence of misappropriation of asset is still low and is needed to be followed up for the consequence. Supposedly, local government can optimize that use of asset, so the existing asset in their area can prove a public benefit in terms of service and local revenue, as well as prevent to exploitation of asset from other parties and unwanted dispute occur. Slide 6 is, we can see in here for the Kota Mobagu City, the local asset management cycle at the Kota Mobagu City government has not been in accordance with the regulation, and their implementation due the negligence of the fixed asset manager, so that in terms of maintenance, there is a not recording of the goods maintenance in the goods maintenance card. But in Ciamis Regency, the form of utilization of regional property that has been carried out is rent and use. Utilization of regional property through rental of borrowing has been carried on accordance with the provision. If the permit for the use of regional property has been approved by the regional head, a region decree will be issued regarding the permit for the use of the land. Okay, next slide. The sum up the strategy that must be achieved for optimizing local government as asset is the identify and inventory the asset value and potential local government asset owned or controlled by the local government, so the local government asset can be controlled properly and minimize problem that arise due to unrecorded and unsuitable asset. Thank you for the listening. May all those that we have share be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.